Right, I think we are live. Good morning. Only gapping up about 400 points. No big deal. Jobless claims came out at 7:30. Oh, spike in volume there. Not much of a reaction compared to the 400 point move up. I mean, about a 20 point, 30 point sell off from highs, maybe. So that happened. What else we got? Home sales at 9. Home sales at 9. What is it? They give it three bulls on the economic calendar. We're trying to hold this 20,000 level. And we got a tips auction at 12. And the Fed's balance sheet, 3:30. So I imagine there'll be some profit taken up here. So I'm thinking it sells off throughout the day, but who knows? Bought a call option yesterday, right before the market. I didn't think it was going to get filled because I put the price down pretty low, but got filled yesterday before the market closed. Expires today. So we'll be selling that at the market open. We'll see how that did. Keep you posted. Just one single call option. We are coming back in. Now we're gapping up about $8.50. We'll see what happens with that. And I bought it on the SPY because for some reason options are cheaper on the SPY, even though the SPY is a higher price. And we hit overnight like, ooh, a little flush there. Didn't hold the 20,000. We were dipping below. Yeah, like for some reason, even though SPY is higher, and we hit all-time highs in the pre-market here on the SPY. The options are cheaper than on the Qs. And I think we're still $20 under highs on the Qs. That's interesting. We are below VWAP on the Qs right now. Still over yesterday's highs, but coming down towards it. So I think I marked out yesterday's highs on the futures here down here. This was our high at the Fed's interest rate announcement. So it's at 19.9. We're about 90 points over. I mean, NQ can knock that out before breakfast. So we'll see. Never know. You just see what this option does. Being a 0 day expiry. I don't know what the volatility is going to do to the premium on it. We'll find out at 8:30. No trades yet for me this morning. I did trade the aftermath of FOMC yesterday. I can bring that over. Show you my progress. Progress on the take profit account at 2,400. 600 to go to pass. That was 7 days traded yesterday. Today will be my eighth. Uh, I made like 176 when I left the morning session. Got home a little early. Traded the afternoon session after the news. Got it up to 420. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I was scalping a lot, hence 19 tickets traded. It's my most tickets so far for a single day's trade. Even though my biggest day was still back here, September 11th. I was happy with that. Just scalping single micros. So you can make several $100s in a day trading micros because that's what I'm doing. So hopefully, next few days, I'll get this account passed. That is the plan. Stick with the plan. And then we'll add another test account. Try to get up to the 5 accounts they let you have simultaneously. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and well, I didn't mean to do that. But I had to ask. But we got film. I'm gonna see how we react when we open. Get a micro on deck here. Okay. Let's get a like on the stream. I have to like my own streams because nobody else likes them. There we go. Like. Uh, Switch to my other YouTube account. Like it on that one. Likes. And that's how you grow a channel, like, keep making YouTube accounts and liking your main YouTube. The producer just walked in. Guess he's taking some time off. Okay. Well, curious for 8:30. See what this call option goes for. Let's see, can move that down there and keep track of the P and L. And go under that red candle there. I'm up 5 points. That's a total of $10. Kind of love these micros. You make micro moves, you make micro dollars, Bella. That's how we roll. Ow. If anybody has any info on declawing cats, send it my way. Is it worth it? We are kind of selling off. I wish I'd wait till the market opened to sell off so my call option is worth more money. But, ow, Bella. Like, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, Bella. Well, we tried to sell off and then it gets bought right back up. Let's see where we are. Oh yeah, I mean we're a long way from the previous close, but we are melting down towards yesterday's highs. And where are we? How high on the keys are we? A little over a dollar. 22 minutes before we open. See how we do. Guess if our producer's not coming back, I'm gonna have to learn how to run streams so we can use our widgets and stuff instead of just streaming straight to YouTube. Got no commands. I know because I've never done it, so I haven't tried it because YouTube is just simple. Click go live and that's it. I don't know how to do stream apps. I got to do a test stream. Oh, why don't you sit down? Sit down. You're making me nervous. Well, now we're shooting back up over the 20,000 level. Oh, gonna have to find another spot. You're interruptive to my trading process. You're not conducive to futures trading, Bella. You're just sit down. I want you to sit down. Back to VWAP on the Qs. We bounce back down here. Do we go through it? Going through it. Right back up to new highs. We hadn't made new highs yet, but a nice 80% of the way there. Here we go. Break out, make a new high. Are we gonna shoot up 100 points? Right back up to highs. Can't believe we're not gonna break through. Here we go. Broke the highs on the Qs. Gotta remember I'm looking at SPY on my Weeble because that's where my options are. But not quite, not quite breaking the highs yet on SPY. Qs is making new highs. Crazy. 400 something point candle. Daily candle. Crazy. Do I need more? I need to come over here more. See the realized P&L. There you go. Is that better? Look at this. Look at it. Look at this. Just moved 50 points. 50 points in the pre-market. like it's nothing. Still not all-time highs yet on SPY, but getting close. Don't they know I'm down $75? I need to come back down. Go the other way. Bella, Bella, Bella. That was like about go get a cup of coffee here shortly. Break out highs again. 20,032. Unbelievable. And just like that, we're not leaking down anymore. Wish yesterday I'd come in here and bought a long micro and let it sit all night. 400-point move. Quick $800. I'm gonna pass the account. Need a time machine. Go back. Keep busting through. New highs. Crazy. Curious to see what the spreads are going to be on the options when the market open. How quickly they normalize. Why couldn't I have waited 5 minutes and seen this happen and gone short up here? I think they're just waiting for me to buy in so they can take it up 50 points. That's what it was. Alright, 10 minutes, 9.5 minutes. Market opens. Down 40 points on my little micro here. Craziness. It did give me like 10, 12 points in profit and then shoots up 50 points. Crazy volatility. That's crazy. Apple looking strong. It's good for the NQs. 7 minutes to open. 9 o'clock home sales. Oh, let me hook these up to the Wi-Fi. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I wonder if we hold this $20,000 level. All right. 3.5 minutes. All right, more new highs. Good Lord. Look at it. 2.5 minutes, and we're just constantly making new highs. I just don't. I don't get it. I feel like we gotta sell off, but maybe we don't. Look at it. 20,050. Oh, this is freaking crazy. 20,050. You gotta love it. I mean, I like it going up from my call option, but it kind of hurt me on my NQ trade. 2 minute warning. 2 minute warning. New highs. More new highs. Well, I tell you, if we do have a market crash, it's gonna be a hard one. All right, one more minute. One more minute. Less than a minute. Less than a minute. New highs. More new highs. Keep going higher. 20,060. We're gonna hit it before the market opens. Craziness. Can't stop, won't stop, I guess. All right, let's get ready here. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. I mean, I feel like this thing's gonna blow me out of the water if I don't. 2, 1. We are open. Up $400 on my option. Still to close. $2 spread. So that's not good. Oh, it filled. It filled. Filled at 540, so I made $440. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. Can I look at it? Yeah, there's. Oh, let me click that one. Top one is my my trade. See if this comes up on camera. $439 profit. I don't know if it's gonna come through. Glare. Glare on the screen. Probably not gonna come through. But a little winner. Start the day with winner, and we are selling off. I'm not even looking at the NQ. We sold off 30 points. Went back down. I've got other things on my mind. That was nice. I needed a win in my options account. All right, Q's. Let's look at the Q's. We took a little profit, but are we going to take some more? Should I average in? Of course, when I average in, it goes immediately back up to new highs. It looks like you stupid NQ. Come on back down. You got more profit to take, buddy. We got to retrace a little bit here. All right, we're back below VWAP. We're gonna trend sideways. Are we gonna trend down? Are we gonna trend up? What are we doing? Gap it up. $10.70 on the Qs. I mean, it seems unfathomable that we don't come down, but stranger things have happened. There we go. Need a flush. Come on, get a little flush. Let's get a little flush. Break this trend. See, they fake me out here. They make it look like we're gonna break this trend. Flies right back through it. And right back to view out. I mean, we are way over yesterday's highs. 19.9 is we're 130 points over yesterday's highs. Here we go. Little flush, little flush. Come on, keep flushing. Okay, $11 is a lot to gap up. It's okay to give some of it away. It's okay. There you go. Come on, come on, come on. A little more. There you go. Keep making those lows. I don't know if we're gonna hold this 20,000 level or can we give it up? 20 points over right now. Come on, let it flush. Let it flush. New lows. New lows. All right, I'm green. Now we need a big flush. Keep flushing. And I'm red. We buy it back up. We got another flush in us. We got another flush. We're trying. We're trying. We're trying. We're trying. Another low. We got another low in us. It's trying. It's so close. It wants to make a new low. It wants to make a new low. There we go. Another little flush. Every little flush just gets bought up. Come on. Nice flush. Nice flush. We got to break this trend. We did it once and we do it again. Okay, take a breath. I understand that. We're still down here. Can we test some more lows? Yeah, they're trying to hold it here. Man, we got so close to the 20,000 level and we bounced. Gonna take more than that to break 20,000, they said. Oh, look at that. All of a sudden, they found some strength. Taking it back up to VWAP. Going through all the averages like they're nothing. Look at it. Just shoot up 60 cents like it's nothing. 70 cents like it's nothing. 80 cents through VWAP like it's nothing. Oh my goodness. 40-point move and two candlesticks. Look at it. Right. We're shooting right back to the day's highs. Unbelievable. I mean, we got the flush. I was in profit a little bit, but just not a lot. We got more in us. We staying over VWAP. Yep. Looks like they're gonna stay over VWAP. Look at oh we're going back to highs. Unbelievable. Holy crap. 60 points. Another 60-point V-shaped reversal. Crazy. Guess they want to close this thing over 20,100 and move it up. Oh, what are we doing? Are we gonna make a new high? New high a day? Looks like it. $11 over previous close. 11.20 over previous close. Wow. Guess Apple's carrying us up. Oh my god. We're gonna make a new high. Here we go. New highs. Unbelievable. Look at that. New highs. Holy crap. Come on. Let's take a breath. You've been going up for 5 minutes now. Let's take a breather. Go back down. New highs, more new highs. What are we doing? We can't take a breath. Are you serious? Are you serious? You're gonna break 483? Wow. 20,070. Are you serious? It's gonna be a grind day. They're not gonna let this thing come down. They wanna hold these gains for a while, it appears. Come on, can we take a breath? Retrace a little? Take some profit here? What are we doing? We need to take a breath, take a breather. How far we're $1.20 over VWAP? Wow, that's crazy. Look at this. New highs, more new highs. You gotta be kidding me. They're not letting this thing come down. New highs, another new high. Just keep breaking out. We just keep breaking out. More new highs, another new high. Are we not taking a breath? What are we doing? What are you doing? Let it come down a little bit. You got people. Come on, there's so many orders down here. You could come get them. There you go. Take a little flush. Come on, let's not let this stop here. Let's keep it going. Let it flush. Let it flush. Let it flush a little bit. Take some profit. Take some profit. Come on. We got a $10 gap down below. We can fill a little bit. You ain't gonna fill the whole thing. There you go. Let it flush. Let it come down. Not now, Bella. Come on. Take some profit. Take some profit. You got 70 cents. Go look at VWAP. Let's go. Let's go. Flush it. Flush it. Flush it. Bella. I swear this cat. Come on, Bella. Come on, flush it. Keep going, baby. Don't bounce on my entry like you do every day, 5 times a day. We didn't even go to VWAP. Are you serious? You're not even gonna go to VWAP? Come on. That's a nice flush. Don't give it all away. Don't give it all away. We wanna flush through VWAP a little bit, just a little. Just a little. Flush, let it flush. Come on, let it flush through VWAP a little. Let it come down. No! No. Smack that price down like it does every time I'm long. Pretend I'm long. I want the market to go up. I'm in long. You hear NQ? I'm long, NQ. I'm long. Let's take the market up. I'm long. Buying contracts here. Oh, I'm buying contracts. Buying contracts. I'm going long, baby. You hear me, NQ? I'm going long. Clicking in, buying contracts. Come on, NQ. Let it go through VWAP. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Just it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. You're $11 gapped up. You can let it come down a little bit. Ah, that's NQ. It just breaks your heart, crushes your dreams, and it stomps on you, and it kicks you in the head. Come on, NQ. You wanna let it come down a little bit? No. And we had a nice little flush and no no follow through. You do not follow through with anything good into you. You do not follow through. I need you to flush and follow through. You need to flush the VWAP. You hear me? Look right, we're going right back to all-time highs. Ah, our daily highs, whatever. Come on. You got more of a flush. We got $11 gap. Fill 2 or $3 of it at least. Come on, let it flush. Let it flush. Let it dip. Come on. VWAP. VWAP. Get through the VWAP. Come on. Don't bounce off VWAP. Don't bounce here. Let it flush. There's so many more orders you can get below VWAP. Look, oh, come on. Come on. Let it flush this time. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go, people. There you go, through VWAP. Go, baby, go. A little bit more. You're bouncing off my profit now. Don't do that. Come on. Let it flush. Let it flush. Let it flush. No, let it flush. There you go. Let it. Ah, you freaking NQ. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. I know you got a little bit more in you. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. You got it. You were there. You got this, NQ. NQ. No. No. Mm, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Right back over VWAP like it's nothing. Come on now. That was a nice flush, and you didn't. I just needed a little more follow through. Come on. Little more. Little more. Come on. You're there. Come on. A little more follow through. It's okay. It's okay. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on now. Come on. No. Don't take it back up. Don't take it back up. Let's let it flush. There you go. Come on. Stop getting my hopes up. Come on. Don't get my hopes up and then shoot my you're shooting me in the back, Hughes. Why are you doing this? Come on. Test the low. Test the low. You came back down here. Test the low. Don't stop. And Q's. You test this low. You get back down there. Test that low. Somebody smack this price back down. Come on now. Come on now. Don't barely. Come on. I know you got a more of a flush in you than that. You've got more flush. Come on. This is your fifth time trying this. Let it come down a little. Let it come down. Beautiful down here. There you go. It's beautiful down here. We gotta flush these 80s. I'm not even asking you to break 20,000. Just go down to 20,012. That's it. That's all I'm asking for. I'm asking for 12 more points. Come on, Q's. Give me. You got to. Come. You're not coming down here and bouncing again. Come on. You got this. You got it. You got it. Here we go. You. Come on. Come on. What? Let it. It wants to come down so bad. There you go. All that work for $150. Ugh, this freaking market. And then you get the follow through after it takes my order out. Then you follow. Oh, and it flushes. Look at it. Oh, look at it. Had so much trouble coming down to my, and then they break 20,000, go down to 19,990. They 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 take it down another 35 points after they fill my. You. Oh, I mean, I just it's price action. That's yeah, figured it had to do this, but they make it look like it's not. Look at it, more new lows, and we broke the uptrend. Now I want it to go up so I can short it again. Let's shoot back up to VWAP like I know you can do. This freaking market. If I could have held that trade, oh, this freaking market. Look at this market. More new lows. Oh, now you want to sink, huh? Yeah. Let's see how it is. 60 points to the downside. Actually, no, we just made a 100-point flush in 10 minutes. 100-point flush in 10 minutes. Crazy. 100-point flush, and what do I get out of it? Like 15 points. Yep. I'm gonna call it a day. $150. Small win, but I gotta go. Another base hit. Tomorrow's Friday, so we'll trade small. Keep these base hits. It's come so far. No point in giving up now. Need another $425, and we'll pass this test account. So see you tomorrow.